landed at Istanbul International Airport after an almost 7-hour flight. We had booked airport transfers through a travel company called IST-11. The airport pickup as well as drop-off was very well organized and executed by their employees. We were asked to come out of gate 14 and meet their representative there, who then took us to our car after a short 10-minute wait. This was the car organized for our transfer. It was a nice spacious car, and after a comfortable 50 minutes drive, we arrived at our hotel. If you wish to book this travel agency for your airport transfers, the details will be mentioned in the description box. This is our hotel, named Occidental. It's a part of the Barcelo group of hotels. Both check-in and check-out here was super smooth and hassle-free. We had booked their suite with Terrace category of room. We were assigned room number 808. Let me give you a quick room tour now. Upon entry, there were two closets, one single door and one double door. It had a safe, bathrobes and bath slippers. The good part here was that they provided us with about 6 500 ml bottles of drinking water every day. Tea and coffee making facility with electric kettle was also available here. The mini refrigerator was empty. This room, being a suite room, had a sitting area with sofa bed, which had been done up for us before our arrival. There was a full-length mirror and a flat-screen TV here. Across the TV was a small study table, chair, and a mirror. Moving to the bedroom now, there was a big lounge chair here, as you can see. There was one more extra bed laid out for us here, as we were 4 guests booked in this room. There was a comfy large king bed with a study table, chair and mirror here as well. There was a full-length mirror with a TV in the bedroom too. Now let me show you our balcony, the door to which was in the sitting room. It was a nice, clean and decently spacious terrace decorated with pretty flowers. There was a coffee table set up here to just relax after a hectic touristy day. The view from here was just wow. We could even spot Galata Tower in the distance on a clear day. This is the bedroom window, which also opens into the balcony. Now let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom was equipped with a hair dryer, 2 plastic disposable glasses, good quality toiletries, hand wash, body lotion and shaving mirror. The toilets here were fitted with a fixed water faucet which can be operated with this tap here. The shower area had an overhead shower, hand shower gel and shampoo. The other facilities available in this hotel are gym, spa, massage, sauna, swimming pool, and you can also get yourself a Turkish bath called hammam here. All the public areas in the hotel were very clean and well kept. While the hotel's cleanliness, service, breakfast, everything was just perfect. The best part of this hotel was undoubtedly its location. Right outside and across the street, you can find lots and lots of eateries, restaurants, shops and supermarkets selling almost everything from SIM cards, sightseeing tours, universal chargers, luggage, water, toys, souvenirs, Turkish delights to fruits. Basically anything and everything under the sun was readily available here, and some shops remain open 24/7. Wow! Special mention of this money exchanger right across the hotel. They offered such good exchange rates that I could not find at any other money exchanger, at least around Taksim Square and Istiklal Avenue. I even noticed that he was open even at midnight. This is the next morning, and now I will show you their buffet breakfast bread. They had a variety of breads on offer with lots of condiments like jams, butters, and much more, as you can see here. Then there were cornflakes, nuts, fruit compotes, and every day they had these desserts, of which I simply loved their chocolate pudding. They had 3 variants of olives, different varieties of cheese, cream cheese, beef ham, chicken ham, fresh vegetables. This was a cheese pastry. It looks red because of the lighting above it, but it really wasn't this color. Then there were freshly made fried eggs, boiled eggs, and scrambled eggs. You could also get yourself a custom made omelette or poached eggs on toast. These were some beef sausages, veg baked dish, steamed veggies, and country fries. There also used to be a lentil soup on offer every day. Some more breads here, as you can see, a tasty tea cake, fresh whole fruits, pancakes, and croissants with assorted toppings. They also offered hot milk, Turkish tea, coffee, whole milk, lactose free milk, and even oat milk for their vegan guests. Of course, there were tea coffee machines too. Two fresh fruit juices and two variants of detox water were also available. There was ample and comfortable seating, but can you guess what was the highlight of our breakfast? The chef himself came to our table and served us some delicious baklavas. I'm not a huge fan of sweets, but believe me, this baklava tasted heavenly. I don't know if the chef comes every day or no, because we just experienced this personalized baklava service once during our 4 day stay here. But it was truly awesome. To summarize my entire experience here at Hotel Occidental, I would simply say highly recommended for all tourists visiting Istanbul. Hope you have found this video helpful, and if you have, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts or queries, feel free to comment and ask. See you in my next video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.